Hey guys, this is Jeff from Jeff's Y. I'm just getting started with another video, or my first video here. Hope you like it. If you do, hit that subscribe button. Push that like, the thumbs up, and give me some comments on what you like, what you don't like, what I would need to get better at. I know I've got to improve. But anyhow, uh, hope that helps, and hope you enjoy the video. Y'all have a great day. Bye. Good knife. Pretty girls. I have a stick here. Really old stick, mind you. Too old for what I'm trying to do. Trying to get the curl in it. It's just too old to it. Really young stick. Only about 3-4 days old to get the pretty curls. Like flower. That's the basics of it. Not the best of cameras for doing that. Sorry about that. Get rid of that little light there. Does that help me? Trying to figure out where that glare is coming from. This is maple. Something everybody, most people in America have near them. It's just a standard maple tree. It's not sapling or twig. It's a cedar. It's very fun, especially if it's got a good straight grain. It's got a good cut to it. Just relaxing. Making potpourri. Nature's potpourri. But any knife will work. Show you with pocket knife. This is a very old pocket knife. It's just been sharpened pretty sharp. It's not super sharp. I have sharper ones. Bigger knives, harder to deal with, mostly because of the tape. See how the angle of the blade is such a sharp angle this way, or more like this. That makes it harder to carve. The longer it is, thinner it is, the straighter you'll get with carving, or wood carving, or whittling, or whatever you enjoy. I think you could do it with a kitchen knife. I just don't have one handy. I have a whole drawer full of things I carve with. So I have little knife blades and big knife blades. I'm sure I'll do it sometime. This one's my favorite. It was my first. Very special favorite to me. Because he taught me how to carve. No longer with us, but makes me think of him when I do get it out and carve with it. And that was the point. You just want to make pretty curls. Let the knife do the work. It's not a lot of strain on you. Not a lot of actual effort to do it. But the whole point is to see how tight the curls you can make. The longer you have it tilted like this, the better the swirl will go out. If you enjoy this, please like, subscribe. You know the deal. Please comment whether I'm not talking right or talking right. If you can't hear me, I need to know. I will be able to hear it in editing, but I don't know that that's going to come out on the end product. So, learning how to do all this. This is video number 1. So, this is a learning curve for everything. For me, I know how to carve. I know how to whittle. But the rest of it's a new world for me. recently took a spoon carving class, was something new for me. Back around Father's Day this year. 2020's been weird, to say the least. But anyway, I got a spoon carving class. Let's see. Where's my first one? That was my first spoon. Spoon. It is a double-ended spoon. Show it this way. So I like that light better. Came out pretty good. Number 1 out of Greenwood. Never carved anything truly green right off the tree kind of thing. And first spoon. It is a double-ended spoon. Show it this way. So I like that light better. Came out pretty good. Number 1 out of Greenwood. Never carved anything truly green right off the tree kind of thing. And that was really fun. I really enjoyed that. So, about me, I guess we can go into that. I'm Jeff. Why is the video? Why do I whittle and carve? It is a stress reliever for me. Just a way to unwind and relax from the day. I don't do it as nearly as much as I'd love to. But with this, I may have more reason to do it just to make content for you. So, yeah. Here in beautiful Middle Tennessee, the United States. I'm originally from Ohio. Learned to carve in 1986. That's when I got this in 1987. So that's why it's been with me for a long time. I've gotten away from carving and gone back to it numerous times. I have lots of things. I enjoy characters mostly in carving. I have an eye perfectionist kind of eye, I guess. And the biggest issue I have with it is I can't do realistic because I see all the flaws. Character-wise, I really care about the flaws because I can just accentuate things and make it look more fun. Like Christmassy stuff, Christmas ones, little Santas and stuff like that. Got some of those here. Did a couple Santas I'm in the works on. The increments, so that old dude right there is all 6 inches tall, so that's basically 1.5 inches on those. This one's more straight, but I did do a curl in his beard. Like doing little doggies. Have a pet dog and a pet cat. Cat was sitting here near me. She might jump up on the table and decide to play with the curling shavings. She was doing that earlier today. Yeah. And I like them. They're fun. Got a pretty face. Face only a mother can do. But anyway, back at it. Let me get this out of my way. Like I said, I'm making potpourri. Because that smells really good. My wife will enjoy that.